Hey Rockstar, Coach Sean here. I'm going to give you guys 3 tips right now where you can generate more referrals from this ecosystem, because this ecosystem is huge. You all know that there are great people here, a lot of rockstars, but are we presenting ourselves good enough or communicating with them to generate more referrals? So here you go. The first thing is in Elum, because I see many times in Elum the profile is not properly, and I'm going to show you. So let me show you what happens. I want to send a referral so somewhere, okay, so let's go. So I'm going to go to agent search and I'm going to just go blindly, okay. So I want to send a referral to Albany, New York, okay. I'm going to search here, and you have to understand that you have to present yourself how the other agent, when they're looking for you, they're finding your profile great, okay. So this is blindly, okay. So I have this rockstar have a Google review, this one doesn't have. So definitely, I'm going to go click this one first before even I go to somewhere else, okay. So that's one thing, and you must have the video and then the other stuff, okay. This is the way other person going to see you. Now I'm going to go to my profile and I'm going to show you how I have it, okay. Number one thing, you have to have a professional picture. You have to have your reviews, okay. Now you got to have an introduction video. I'm going to show you a couple of things here. Let me go to the edit button. You can upload an introduction video here. You can upload a rating here. You see, you can have Yelp, Zillow or Google link of your review link. Your email address, direct phone number. This is like your ecosystem. This is my direct cell phone number. I don't have anywhere on the web, but only here, because everywhere I have the call center picks up the phone or my assistant, but this is the only place. The date of birth, you must put it if you are under 30, and I'll suggest everybody to put it, but Tom has under 30 rockstar, there is some rewards, and so you guys can check it. Your MLS and so, and then all the details, and I'm going to just save it and go back. Now when you do the video, make sure that this is a very rockstar. Thank you for watching this video. This video you talking to another real estate agent. This is not for a client. So when you meet another real estate agent from another town, in an event or so, the way you talk to them, you introduce them, and then also the purpose of the video, because somebody is checking your profile, there's a reason behind it. So make sure that you connect with that person through the video very well. You don't have to say you sell real estate, but they know you sell real estate. You have to say where you sell real estate, if you have a team or you're a solo agent, how you do your service, how long you are in the business. Any credibility is going to help them connect with you more. You definitely. Also in my video, you'll see I'm asking for 3 things. Of course, if there's a referral, definitely, and I'm open to do mastermind meetings with them if someone is interested. And third is a role play session, somebody interested. So you can offer these 3 things to your peer. So definitely do that. Then when you go there, see all the links supposed to be there. It should not be gray color. It should be in dark blue like this. So your website, your LinkedIn, your Facebook, your Instagram, your YouTube should be there. Some nice little about yourself. And then this is very important. What are the service you are specializing for? So definitely, and of course relocation has to be must, because you getting a referral, okay. You have opportunity to put 2 service areas. So for example, I'm in Fort Lauderdale area, but I have team. I have people in deep down in Miami, so I can go as much as up to Homestead. So my primary area is here, 20 miles around my office, and then I have a secondary area. So this is very important, because sometimes I see you don't have the secondary area covered. So important here, and the introduction video. That's number 1. You have to make sure that your profile is up to date, okay. Then number 2, you have to interact with the Facebook group. You are a elite client, make sure that you join the elite private group. If you're a core client, make sure you join 4 group. Elite client can join both group actually. So but you are there. Make sure that you are there. And what you have to do here on a daily basis, not more than 10-15 minutes. Just schedule some time, maybe in the afternoon when you have some lazy time. You have to go to the group, and then whenever you see some content here makes sense, you got some value, make a comment. Because what happens here, if people see you commenting, if you post something, okay, well and great. But if you have nothing much to say, do 10 comments here every single day. You go here, see Megan put something here, okay, what it is, read that and make a comment here. So what's going to happen, they will see you every single time. Now when someone go to search for in your area and there's a 10 different agent pops up, guess whose name going to ring the bell? The person is active in the Facebook group. That's the reason you need to, on a continuously basis, regular basis, you got to make at least 5-10 comments. So when people go there, they can see you that you're commenting, so know you by name. When they they see the other 10 agents in your area, you'll shine. Okay, that's number 2. Okay, and then number 3 is another group, is the Tom Ferry referral group. This group was created because Tom didn't want that referral comes to the regular group, because the purpose of the core and the elite private group is sharing valuable information, tips, some say buyer document or marketing ideas or whatever, like something can bring value to each other. But then referral should be another group, and that's a great idea. So there is a Tom Ferry referral group. You must join this group, because in the referral group all we talk about is referral. You see, if there's a referral, that there's a referral. You can tag your friend, someone from your referral group, or even you can make a you send the DM, you can make a comment here. So these 2 groups, your group, your core or elite Facebook group, you have to interact, and the referral group. So these 3 tips, the profile up to date with the video, with the area, with the services you do, with your phone number, with your email address. Okay. Number 2 is the Facebook group, where you're going to make comments every single day, so you'll be on top of mind. And number 3 is the referral group. Remember, there's 2 reasons people do business with you. Your clients, they do business with you. Your peer, the ecosystem, going to send you a referral. And 2 reasons are the likability and the trust. So more we see you, more trust you build with us. And that's the way we can send referral to each other. Let me know what you think about these 3 tips. I really appreciate any comment. My goal is here to give you those inside tips so you can game up this huge, important tool we have, the Elam. Sometimes we don't even use them, and I'm going to bring more video about how to use the Elam, not to spend so much time, very smartly, but use this great tool. So see you in another video. Coach Sean from Fort Lauderdale. Have a rocking day.